Welcome to my channel. Brother MFC L2900DW Wireless Monochrome Laser Printer Setup. 1. Unpack the printer, remove the printer from its packaging, and take out all protective materials, including tapes and inserts. 2. Install the toner and drum unit, open the printer's front cover, insert the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly, and close the cover securely. 3. Load paper, open the paper tray, adjust the guides to fit the paper size, and load plain paper. Close the tray. 4. Power on the printer, plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button to turn it on. 5. Select language and settings, use the control panel to set your preferred language and other basic settings. 6. Connect to Wi-Fi, on the printer control panel, press the menu button, navigate to Network WLAN Setup Wizard, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. 7. Install the software, run the downloaded installer on your computer and follow the prompts to connect the printer wirelessly. 8. Test the connection, print a test page from your computer to ensure the printer is connected and working correctly. Thank you for watching.